Yo, so you ain't got no money, you don't know how you're gonna go about setting things up, getting paid, getting rich. Don't worry about it, guys, I got you covered. We will figure this out right here, right now. Selling on Amazon has absolutely changed our lives. You wanna know something? We're gonna help you guys get there too.
All these people are talking about wanting to sell you a lifestyle. We're here to sell you a life.
So what's up, guys, man? It's the Dropshipping Terminator. And if you didn't know by now, me and my partner, the Dan of Steel, we talk all about that Amazon life, Amazon FBA, private label dropshipping, e-commerce, all that good stuff, man. So if you guys like that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, stick around for a little bit, get into the free Facebook group below, so that way we can drop all the free knowledge on you. For all you regulars, you know what time it is. It's time to go ahead, get right into it. So, you're broke, you ain't got no money, you really don't know what you're gonna do. You know, you don't have money to get into Amazon FBA because that's a couple $1,000s. Like, despite what everybody says, if you're gonna be getting into private label dropshipping, not private label dropshipping, but private label FBA, excuse me, you need a couple $1,000s because you're gonna be spending a lot of money on PPC. You guys might be doing a giveaway. You gotta make sure you have enough product to do a giveaway. All these things, man. You know, so yeah, there's that. Private label dropshipping, you can't be absolutely broke and get into it. Now, you can have a little bit of money. You ain't gotta have a ton, but in order to scale and get up to, you know, the level that you need to be, you gotta have some cash, bro. You gotta have some cash. You can't just get in and not have anything, right? You know, same thing with affiliate marketing or even eBay, guys. Even eBay. You guys gotta have some type of money because PayPal jail is a real thing and they will hold your money until, you know, they see fit, until they can verify and all this other stuff. So you gotta have some capital. You ain't got no money, man. You know, you out here trying to hustle, you trying to figure out what to do. You know, you listening to Gary Vee, he telling you to hustle. You listening to Grant Cardone, he telling you to get your monies up. You listening to Ty Lopez and he telling you to do whatever else, I don't even know. Like, just tons of craziness. We'll just leave it at that because whatever he's telling you to do. But yeah, so all these people telling you to do all these ridiculous things and whatever else, and it's just not gonna work. Well, it will work, but just bear with me on this one, okay? We need to get you guys making money. This is the easiest way to make $100 a day, even if you're broke, guaranteed. If you can't make $100 a day doing this, then you might as well go crawl up in a hole and just disappear and cry and whatever else. Just be gone, little Indian, be gone. So, how are you gonna do it? Consulting, people. Consulting is probably the one thing that you can do that doesn't require any type of money. It just requires you to have some form of skill. And everyone has a skill, okay? Everyone has a skill, period. And I'm not talking about you little bad boys playing with your little skin flutes, okay? Playing a skin flute is not a talent. I mean, maybe if you're getting paid for it, but I mean, Pornhub is free, so I doubt you're gonna be getting paid for that. But anyway, you know, if you guys are good at photography, you can schedule your own shoots. If you guys are good at math, you can tutor people. Believe me, people pay a lot of money, a ton of money. When I was going through college, people needed help with their math, especially calculus, okay? $75 just to help somebody with their calculus homework. 75 bucks, it took me almost no time at all. I mean, that's the easiest $75 I made. And just, why would you not? You know, anything that you're good at, guys. Like for me, I'm good at tuning cars. You know, I charge people minimum 300 bucks just to hook the laptop up to their car. Plugging it doesn't matter if I change any variables or not. Just for me to come out my laptop, hook that mug up and just pull the file, 300 bucks. Doesn't matter, don't waste my time. I'm not gonna waste yours. And then from there, you know, we can talk about, you know, you paying the correct amount. But consulting, guys, consulting really is the way to go if you wanna make $100 a day if you're absolutely broke. All right, now, you do have to know how to market your skills, but it's really not that bad. Craigslist is probably gonna be the place that you go right off the bat because anyone can advertise on Craigslist, okay? Anyone and everyone can. This is all you have to do. I mean, even the Facebook Marketplace, if you guys are, you know, looking to market your skills, all type of Facebook groups, you know, like there's local Facebook groups with people looking for photographers or looking for people to do ad copy. I mean, if you guys look at the ClickFunnels Facebook group, people are always willing to pay for ad copy. Always. They're like, hey, does anyone know how to build a funnel? Does anyone know how to do ad copy? Does anyone know how to run Facebook ads? Does anyone know how to do this and this and this and this? You could literally start a business overnight helping the people that are asking. There's thousands of people in that group And there are dozens of posts a day. I see them because I'm in a ClickFunnels group. There's dozens of posts a day for of people asking for help. You can literally make $100 a day. I mean, just easily. If you have a skill, it really doesn't matter what that skill is because someone is looking for something. Okay, someone is looking for something at any given time. Nannies, I can tell you firsthand as someone who has children, nannies make bank, okay? In a lot of cases, you'll be spending around, I mean, for a family to have like a full-time nanny, minimum 3K a month, bare minimum. You know, hands down, bare minimum 3K a month. If you're good with kids and you're reasonably pretty, somebody's gonna hire you. There's gonna be some dad out there that wants to have a little eye candy, you know, when his wife is being a pain in the butt. And that's minimum 3K. Like for a full-time nanny, and I wouldn't even say full-time, like someone who's living in the home. I mean, someone who's like picking the kids up in the morning, picking them up from school, making, dinner, doing some chores around the house, stuff like that. Or even just sitting at home with the younger kids all day. Like that's minimum 3K a month, minimum. Like you guys, that's $100 a day right there. Easily, done and done. So, I mean, there's all types of things, but consulting or some type of service-based business is the way to go. Like mowing lawns, easily $100 a day, easily. Washing cars, $100 a day, especially if you're good at detailing. If you can detail a car, I will pay you whatever you want to detail my car. I hate doing it. I hate spending the 3-4 hours out there, waxing and vacuuming out and spraying this and this and this and this and this. Like it's such a hassle. I absolutely hate doing it. I love washing a car. I hate the detailing part. Washing, cleaning it, stuff like that, cool. The whole detailing process, oh no, I can't stand it. Especially paint correction, because that is very time consuming, and I'm not trying to spend 12 hours of my weekend doing it. But if you're good at it, guess what? Somebody's gonna pay you a whole lot of money to do it. Paint correction, if you were good and you have a great eye for detail, paint correction, minimum. I've never seen anyone charge less than $600 for basic paint correction. And that's basic. That's if your paint is pretty much good, like almost spotless. Still, 600 bucks. In some cases, you're spending $2,000-$3,000 for paint correction. That takes nothing but your time. You can literally pull that off in a weekend. 12 hours of your time on a weekend, you could charge somebody $1,000 to do paint correction. To detail, do paint correction, and restore their paint to, luster. You guys just have to figure out what you're good at and market those skills. You can market them right on Craigslist, guys. I have used people on Craigslist. I have advertised my services on Craigslist and made money. There is no reason why you guys can't do the same thing. Other than, you might be lazy, but we all know you guys are here for a reason. You're not lazy. That's for the other channels. Like, if you looking at the other channels, man, there's lazy people on those channels. Ain't no lazy people over here, right? So get to it. Get out there. Go make your money. Go make your $100 a day. Why you still watching? You sitting here looking at me? Go do what you guys do. All right? So be safe, be smart, get into the free Facebook group below before you guys go off and make your money, before you do the little walkie thing and go make money. Get into the Facebook group. I'm gonna see you guys around. Check you later.